Hey guys, it's Sammy SoCal here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to draw reflections, to be more specific, of clouds. A lot of you guys have made comments about how I draw reflections, so I just wanted to show you guys how easy this technique really is, and it's also a technique that I've used many times before, including for this BMW N4, which I know you guys loved so much, so thank you guys for that. But without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start with the marker base color. For this, I use two Prismacolor Premier markers in the shades PB114 and PM110. Once you've colored in the desired area, let the markers dry for at least 30 minutes. It's very important that you let the marker dry before you move on to the next step. So once the marker is completely dry, then you're going to shade the area again, but with a white pencil. Here I am using a Faber-Castell Polychromo in white. Once the whole area is colored in white, then you're going to add some color. Since this GTI has a pinkish bluish window tint or hue to the windshield, I am using pink and blue polychromos. Here I am just shading where the reflections are supposed to be, but I am not adding any details yet. That comes in the next step. Alright, so once the colors are looking good to you, it's time to add the details. This is the most important step because here we are going to actually draw in the reflections. So for this step, I am using Arteza TwiMarkers in various pinks and blues. And here I am basically just adding a little bit of color and texture, and then before the marker dries out, I am dabbing it with my finger to kind of get that fluffy and soft looking effect like the way clouds look. And honestly, I can't achieve this level of detail with just any marker because most markers either dry super fast or they just bleed too much. So I use these for every single drawing ever since I got them, and I highly recommend to all you artists out there that you buy a set of TwiMarkers if you don't already have some. So finally, once I've achieved the level of detail that I want, I usually go over it again with some colored pencils just to smooth out some areas. And that's it. That's literally all there is to it. So like I said, this is a super easy and simple technique, but it really looks good and it just adds some detail to any drawing. So if you guys give this technique a try, just let me know in the comments, or you could even feel free to send me your post on Instagram, mention me in a comment, whatever you like. I just want to see how you guys incorporate this technique in your drawings, and I want to know if you guys like this technique. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Remember to let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. But that's going to be it for today, so thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.